Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Open the glove box. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Grab and pull on the glove box to release the tabs from the catch so you can remove the glove box assembly. Disconnect the light. Lower the glove box. Unlock the fuse box. Use a flathead screwdriver and carefully apply pressure to the middle to unlock the clip. You can pry the base out and remove the clip. Pull the tab on the housing cover and slide the housing cover off. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Slide the housing cover into position and press to lock it into place. Reinstall the fuse box. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box. Reinstall the 2 remaining screws.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.